Welcome to solverfy.
Okay, so in this problem, first we have to find out the molar mass of aspartame, which has a molecular formula of this. So the molar mass of this compound will be simply the sum of the molar mass of each atom present here, and we can do that by just simply adding. First, we write down the formula here: C14H18 into O5. That means the molar mass of this compound will be 12.01, which is the molar mass of carbon, and we have 14 carbon. That's why we will multiply this by 14. Then molar mass of hydrogen is 1.008. We have 18 hydrogen. We'll multiply it by 18. Then we have nitrogen. Nitrogen has a molar mass of 14.0067, and we have 2 nitrogen. And finally, we have oxygen, which has a molar mass of 16. And we have 5 oxygen. So just doing that, the total will give us a value of 294.3, which is in gram per mole. So this is the molar mass of aspartame, or this compound. Now in the next problem, we have to find out how many moles of aspartame are present in 1 milligram of aspartame. So we have already calculated the molar mass. That means 1 mole of aspartame contains this gram of aspartame. You can write it, or you can write it the other way, like 294.3 gram is contained in 1 mole. That means 1 milligram, or 1 times 10 to the power minus 3 gram, is contained in 1 times 10 to the power minus 3 gram over 294.3 gram per mole, and this will give us a value of 3.40 times 10 to the power minus 6 mole. So this is the number of moles of aspartame which is present in 1 milligram of aspartame. Now the next part, we have to find out how many molecules of aspartame are present in 1 milligram of aspartame. So we have find out the number of moles of aspartame for 1 milligram. Now we know that 1 mole of any substance or any molecular substance contains 6.02 times 10 to the power 23 molecules. That means 3.4 times 10 to the power minus 6, which is the number of moles for this mass. This mass mole will contain 3.4 times 10 to the power minus 6 times 6.02 times 10 to the power 23 molecules, and it will give us a value of 2.04 times 10 to the power 18 molecules. So this is the number of molecules which is contained in this much number of moles of aspartame. And again, since this is the number of moles of aspartame for 1 milligram aspartame, that means this much molecules are contained in 1 times 10 to the power minus 3 gram or 1 milligram of aspartame. 1 milligram aspartame contains this number of molecules. And finally, we have to find out how many hydrogen atoms are present in the same mass of aspartame. So we have calculated how many molecules we have in 1 milligram of aspartame. Now we have to find out how many hydrogen atom we have in 1 milligram of aspartame. So as we know that from the formula, we can see that one molecule of aspartame contains 18 atoms of hydrogen. That means this much molecules of aspartame will contain simply this time 18 hydrogen atom, this times 18 atoms of hydrogen, and if we just multiply this by 18, we will get a value of 3.68 times 10 to the power 19. So this is the number of hydrogen atoms 3.68 times 10 to the power 19 hydrogen atoms are present in 1 milligram of aspartame.